Revenge of the chickens. Once they lived in liberty, ran freely through the couch grass there beside the shed, pecked at grasshoppers and beetles, clucked their happiness at sunny days, scattered in mock alarm when the rooster came to call. Baby humans chased them, it is true, but humans were their friends, spread grain from wooden pails, built roosts protected from the storm, kept foxes from the chicken coop. Then humans went for factories. Euphemisms put the spin upon the dirty deed. Efficiency, necessity. The perpetrators never talked of greed. Freedom hijacked, visits from the rooster gone. Sunshine and grass and beetles disappeared as if they'd never been. Chickens metamorphosed into machines. That's what those villains did. Sun replaced by fluorescent lights, roost and coop and grassy yard by wire cages, each just big enough for one to sit. Food in a basket at the front, conveyor belt for eggs, also for the chicken shit. That's it. Chickens pined and sickened then. How can you fight oppressors who hold all the cards? And so they fought amongst themselves, pecking neighbors till they bled. Egg production hit the skids. Factory owners stuffed them full of penicillin and removed their beaks. That's how terrorists are born, if suicide is what it takes. Chickens went for germ warfare, the only kind of war that they could wage. They hosted salmonella and whatever microbes that could come and stay. Soon their former friends, the humans, vomited and ran for toilets, and some passed away. But this was just the start. The chickens had more lethal weapons up their wings. They gave the microbes all a chance to fight off penicillin and to be immune. Now hospitals are full of germs that will not die. And it's not only chickens suffering, it's you and I.